EMF. See if that bitch is alive or undead. Oh, what's inside? What's inside? You cannot hide. Pull out the thermometer. I'm gonna meet her. Oh, ready? You go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My name is Tommyinnit, and I am quite awesome. That is we're gonna have to eat. It's very poggers. Wilbur wants me to do an
I'm in the room, and I'm with Wilbur Soot. He's a cult guy, and he's got a big foot. We're in the office, and he's a novice. Stinky little doll, call him Uncle Nasty. Looking kind of skinny, he must have gone fasting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have a serious porn addiction all night long. Just jacking off, I can't help myself anymore. My mom on me. Nice. It's a move hell. I'm gonna go to hell for jacking off a lot. I'm having a problem. I can't get an erection any longer.
It's quite old. He is married to a woman, and that is interesting. Technically, like a golden crown. I am massive.
You're massive.